Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, July 19th. Time is around 7:20 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So I will again focus here on this structure today. If you want to have a bit more context, please have a look at my video from Monday. And I also believe the higher time frame analysis of the DAX is a very interesting video. You can also check this video. But for now, we focus on this here. And as you can see, we just took out this high here. And so then I can take out this corrective scenario for now, I believe. This is also no longer relevant. Yeah, and so now what we have here, like I think this here would be the obvious interpretation. Wave 1, wave 2, then wave 3 to the upside. We come down a wave 4, we react from the area where a wave 4 should react. And now we are making a fifth wave to the upside. I think this is the obvious interpretation. And from this interpretation, we could conclude that we can initiate a short from here because it is our fifth wave. We are ending with divergence. This divergence should also be visible in the 4 hours. Yes, exactly. But I have my doubts about this setup because it looks like this here, this part, so from this wave 3 till this wave 4 and this wave 5, if I look at this RSI, but this is just based on experience. I do not really have a rule for this, but it looks like this cycle here, the cycle who started here, has nothing to do anymore with this cycle. So it looks like this is a cycle to the upside, this is a cycle to the downside, and this is again a cycle to the upside. So that would mean actually something like this. If so, now I'm talking about the interpretation that I just described about the cycles. Then it should look like this actually, that we only had a very shallow wave 2, and that this might be the start of our wave 3. So what does this imply? First of all, because I'm suspecting that this is enough other cycle, that this has nothing to do anymore with this, I will not initiate a short trade from here. Although I see 5 waves divergence, I think it might be a trap. Also, yeah, overall the DAX is bullish. So if you would initiate a short here, you're also trading against the main direction. So also from that perspective, it might not be so smart. So, but this is why I have my doubts to initiate a short here, unless the data changes and I see on the lower time frame a very good entry, in the sense of I see clearly 5 waves up ending with divergence, and I can kind of catch the top and protect my trade early. This is how I would do it if I want to short this. but I think it's an risky trade, simply because I think that this has nothing to do anymore with this. These are different cycles, in my opinion. And if these are different cycles, then the interpretation is like this: that this was only or that this was or wave one, and that this was only a shallow wave two, which would mean that we have quite a bullish day today. Although we can first, come back, and then go up again, because this wave three should also consist of five waves, and so this would only be the wave one for now, I believe. So if this is the case, you have kind of a clear setup, in the sense that this is your invalidation level. So if we come back into this area, a long might be initiated from here against this invalidation level. That's a possibility. So this is what I see for today. Let's say, along from this area against this invalidation level, but know that it can also turn out like this. My initial count, and this would mean that we retrace deeper as a wave two. So then it looks like this, and then we should retrace deeper. But yeah, I'm just sharing my doubts about going short here, because it looks like this is a different cycle. So I will need more data to interpret this. You can risk the short from here, but then you should really try to catch the top by analyzing the lower time frame, the 15-minute, even the 5 minutes. Try to catch the top and protect your position early. And the other way, or another possible trade setup for today, is a long from this area, so that we come back as a wave two. So if this is a one, then we need a two down, and then we go up again. So this is a clear setup, in the sense that this is your invalidation level. If we cross this level, this trade is no longer valid. So here you have the advantage of clarity. Okay, so I'm looking forward to this day to see a bit more data. But keep in mind that this might be a shallow wave two, and that it might be a trick. Like I think a lot of people are waiting to short this structure here, but I would be careful doing it. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.